Now do I turn away from singing forever, and I leave amusement, pleasure, and mirth, and shall live sad, afflicted with woe, as my eternal mate, for this behoves me. Since death is a law which none can blame, for anything one finds unseemly, I have naught to do with amusement and singing no more. Since I don't see in it anything that may please me, alas, what shall I do? Who despair so? For I don't see anything that may cheer me up from such a sorrow so hard to assuage. Since I can never hope to see her like again, nor can ever death cause me a greater loss. Ah, Lord God, I cannot praise you, since such a lady would live still. If I had the power, I would much like to keep her for myself, for the sole reason of contemplating her great kindness, to which one can find no equal, and her beautiful body, gracious and seemly, and the merit and worth she had so much of. without deception. I love her evermore. Oh, wretched world. Oh, wretched world. Oh, wretched world. Oh, wretched world. Wretched world, you are but a deceiver. The more I see you, the more I keep despising you.